What up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the table where everybody eat. Y'all know what to do. Hit that like button for your boy. And if it's your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you don't miss out on the plays and updates we bring to you guys each and every day in the market. Now, I know it's been a minute since I covered Applied Digital Corporation, ticker symbol APLD. And as you can see, Applied Digital Corporation closed at $24.49, up 3% on the day. And in the after hours, is currently up 0.65%, trading around $24.65. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this stock back on you guys' radar, because I realize how we pulled back to a key area or a line in the sand around $19.60 and also regaining or reclaiming the daily 200 moving average as well. And not only did this name see a bounce from around that $19.60 area, the overall market did as well, with the rumors of a ceasefire, supposedly the war coming to an end, back and forth about the Strait of Hormuz being opened here or not. But you guys seeing that tech bounce back, especially data center and AI infrastructure plays recovered or rebounded in a massive way. Now, Applied Digital filed an amended 8K to update disclosures on credit enhancements tied to CoreWeave leases as its Polaris Forge 1 campus in Ellendale, North Dakota. Changes included moving two of the Ellendale data halls from CoreWeave parent lease into a new lease with a CoreWeave special purpose subsidiary with terms aligned to existing agreements. CoreWeave parent also committed to provide a USD $50 million letter of credit within 30 days to secure Ellendale 2 parent lease obligations, in which Ellendale 3 lease was assigned from CoreWeave parent to CoreWeave special purpose subsidiary for the remaining term, with parent released from its lease. Now, all in a nutshell, I'm just assuming this here is just more, I guess you could say, verification or solidification or solidation, whatever word is, I don't know, participation from CoreWeave in regards to Applied Digital continuing to lock in some revenue or lock in some future dated capital to continue to just expand and do what they have been doing. And this news here also is coming roughly a week or so before their dated or their listed earnings on April 8th, 2026, with analysts maintaining a buy rating based on the company's $2.4 billion power project and AI infrastructure platform targeting hyperscaler contracts. Applied Digital also secured 2.15 billion in senior secured notes for 200 megawatts of AI capacity in North Dakota. And then, like I stated, they amended their CoreWeave data center lease agreements with $50 million in letter of credit support. Applied Digital shares also recovered Tuesday after a 23% 5-day sell-off driven by concerns over debt-funded AI expansion and Bitcoin weakness ahead of their April 8th earnings. So, all in a nutshell, you guys see that Applied before their earnings has a lot of anticipation. And if we were to go over to the daily chart of Applied, and I'm actually going to remove all the drawings right now. Like I say, it's been a while since I covered this name. You guys probably recall that last video when I said Applied is setting up with a perfect squeeze around this $13, $14 area. Ever since then, boom, off to the races she went. But removing the drawings, you guys can see here, like I was saying, we lost that 200 SMA on the daily, which is the purple line. The blue line is a 21 SMA. But we lost at 200 SMA on the daily, and then we ended up recovering yesterday. Today, of course, the market continued, went right into the 21, and a lot of names actually stopped at their 21 SMA. If I was to go to Rocket Lab, they hit their 21 SMA, and then back to APLD, like I said, that 21 SMA. And if we were to pull the drawings back up, you guys can also see that that coincides with the area I anticipated on us holding when we fell from the highs of whatever this was, 40, 42 bucks on Applied. And the reason being that this area is an area of interest for me is because you see we gapped up, held this area for a number of days right here in October, went up, and then that's when this area became our SR flip. It was a support turned resistance, reject, reject, tried to hold right here. You guys could just follow along. You see that clear as day. So now with us holding or actually being above the 21, I mean, not 21, my bad, being above the 200 SMA and then now coming into that 21, I'm going to keep my eyes on this name to see if we can reclaim, let's just say 2650, and then continue to head higher going into earnings. Now, mind you, the bottom of this number fair value gap is around that psych area of 30 bucks. Let's just say 29 to $30. Going to the 4 hour time frame, you guys can see now even more how important this $26 area is going to be for us to get back into this chop range and mount this area here. Let's just say 28 to $29, and then get back into this number fair value gap on Applied Digital Corporation. But that's what I have for you guys. Keep your head on the swivel. Let's see how this name pans out going up into earnings. Remember, I believe tomorrow's the last day of the week, and then we got this long weekend to see what's going on overseas with the geopolitical tension. But the earnings for Applied is April 8th. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Much love. We out.